guys, it's Yesenia back with another video. Today I'm gonna be cleaning my tiny little shoebox. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be cleaning my small room. So I really hope you guys like this video. Comment and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I am gonna start by doing my bed first. Okay, so I'm going to be honest with y'all. This video, or me making my bed, took me a long time than I should have taken. Basically, I was watching TV. That's why I keep on looking up. And then, as you can see in the footage, if you decide to watch this full clip, I am struggling to take the paper off the lint roller because I don't have acrylic nails on anymore. I have my natural nails. So that took me a good minute, and then I kind of gave up on that because I literally sat there and tried about 5 to 10 times, as you can see in the video. So I'm so sorry I had to drag this video. At least me making my bed video, like, that honestly shouldn't have taken a long time, but it did. So if y'all want to skip, feel free to. I'm just taking off all the fuzzies, off the pillows, everything like that, off my blankets. For instance, I sleep with my hair down at night, and I don't know about y'all, but with me, I guess not, my hair doesn't shed, but it sheds sometimes, especially when I wear my hair down when I'm asleep, and I tend to have like little hairs on my pillow from my hair, so that's why I took the lint roller and did that. So right here I am folding my little throw-on cover for my rolling chair, and I'm putting it back on my rolling chair and taking off any items that don't belong there. As for here, I am doing the same, putting everything back in its place. I'm basically just putting everything back in its regular spot. Getting distracted, watching TV, and sipping on my drink. I know I'm not the only one who does that. And I was probably putting something away, that's why I was out of frame. So most likely I was putting something back in its spot. So yeah. I'm somewhat cleaning this little area over here where you see some of my little notebooks, my little books, and I put my agenda right back where it's supposed to be. It's not really an agenda. I don't know how to explain it. It's more like if you want to take notes or keep up like with the calendar or any special dates and stuff like that. I guess you could say it's an agenda. And this is my small closet because my closet in my room does not have enough space for me to put my shoes in. So I try my best and I put all of my shoes right here, or I just shove them under my bed. To be honest with y'all, there's not much I could do. And now I'm going to be putting all those cups y'all saw me put on my desk and moving around my room. I'm going to be putting that downstairs to wash. And this is the final results. Alrighty, and really that's it. I really don't have to clean much just because this is such a small room, and in my eyes it gets dirty so easily. If you have a small room, comment down below and tell me if you feel the same way. But anyhow, I really enjoyed filming this video. I know I didn't deep clean or anything like that. It's just more of a basic, simple, little clean my room with me. So I really hope y'all like this video. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.